Your short OO sound. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
oh. Remember not to move your mouth when you're
Mm-hmm.
doing this one, since it's not a diphthong. Oh, oh, oh. Spelling pattern number one, consonant plus U plus consonant. Pull, bush. Oh, oh, right? Okay. Number two, OO, cook, wood. Okay. Word practice, consonant plus U plus consonant. Bull, bull, bullet, bullet, bulletin, bulletin, bully, bully, bush, bush, butcher, butcher, full, full, pull, pull, push, push, put, put, during, during, durable, durable, sugar, sugar, pudding, pudding, pulley, pulley, fury, fury, rural, rural, jury, jury, curious, curious, cushion, cushion. Okay. OO spelling pattern, book, book, brook, brook, cook, cook, cookie, cookie, crook, crook, foot, foot, good, good, hood, hood, hoodie, hoodie, hoof, hoof, hook, hook, look, look, nook, nook, rook, rook, rookie, rookie, shook, shook, soot, soot, stood, stood, took, took, wood, wood, woof, woof, wool, wool, oops, oops. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
right? Exemptions, woman, woman, wolf, wolf, bosom, bosom, euro, euro, Europe, Europe, urine. Sorry, this one, urine. In other dictionaries will say urine, but
Mm-hmm.
here let's follow the IPA symbol here. It's urine. So, but since the IPA symbol here said the last vowel sound is schwa, so let's do the schwa. That's urine, urine, uranium, uranium, Uranus, Uranus. Tourist, tourist. Wood, wood. Should, should. Could, could. Sentence practice 1. 1. Oops, this bush is full of thorns. 2. He shook the soot from his wool hoodie. 3. Did you put all the books in the bookcase? 4. Give the crook a good push towards the bowl. 5. The cook stood on his foot looking at the cooking book. 6. The bully took all my sugar cookies and ran to the brook. 7. Did you say goodbye to the butcher before leaving the woods? 8. When Red Riding Hood got lost in the woods, a wolf shook her foot and gave her cookies. 9. I would have understood the story in the book if it weren't for your footsteps. 10. The rookie foot soldier took out a hook and put it near the woman's cushion. Actual practice. Actual practice 1. Woman shook. 2. Pull, pulley. 3. Bully, bull. 4. Stood, cushion. 5. Butcher, should. 6. Pudding, sugar. 7. Took, wood. 8. Wool, full. 9. Look, nook. 10. Good wolf. Okay. Homework 1. E, I, A, a, u, o. 2. The bully took all my sugar cookies and ran to the brook.